Today I'm going to replace the diverter gate and the lift post on this faucet here. What's happening is when I'm lifting up the post here, it's not diverting the water up into the shower. So we're going to inspect it and repair it and replace it. But first we're going to put the stopper in so nothing goes down the drain. Okay, right there is the diverter gate, and there's two grooves on the side that hold it in place. So I'm going to take this screwdriver and I'm going to press one of the prongs and take the lift post out. And now I'm going to get some needle nose pliers to take the diverter gate out because it's in there between those grooves. And here's the culprit right here, look. That's a broken washer, and that was keeping the water from going up into the shower head. So now I got a kit at the hardware store, and it has the diverter gate, the washer, and the lift post, and we're going to put that in now. So this is the washer that goes into that circle on the diverter gate with the flat side facing outward, which goes up and then stops the water from coming out the spout. So I'm going to take the lift post and shove it between these prongs, and it's going to go down between the prongs and hold it in place. So I'm going to put the diverter gate into the grooves and push it up into the spout, and from the top I'm going to press the lift post downward until it goes through the prongs, and then it'll be held in place. And there we go. So now let's check it out. Okay, and now let's see how it works. It's not leaking.